Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. I'm at this beautiful Hanover Preston Hollow, and I'm looking at just almost a perfect kitchen. I don't know what would make it more perfect. It's got the space you want, it's got the look and feel that you'd want, it's got the appliances, the gas cooking that you'll have. It's got a wonderful open island that's here. It has beautiful appliances that are gorgeous. It's got a bar area with a wine fridge that's here. This is perfect. Look at all the space that you have. You're going to be able to entertain quite a few people here. This is just beautiful. It's got the light, vibrant colors. It's got a beautiful living room area too. Plenty of space. You're going to feel like this is basically like your home, except for you're not having to take care of it. You're not having to maintain it. That's going to be Hanover doing that. So it's a beautiful apartment. It's 2 bedroom. The bedrooms are massive, large, especially the master. The master is really, really big. It looks like this, and it has views of the balcony and downtown Dallas as well. You've got a beautiful dual sink in there, and you do have a very lovely walk-in shower that's here, gorgeous. And then you've got your own tub. This is just some of the features of this gorgeous Hanover Preston Hollow. If you want the perfect high-rise in Dallas, Texas, this could be it for you. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to send me a text and just say, Grant, I really like what I'm seeing. I'd like to set up a tour immediately to see the Hanover Preston Hollow. We'll take care of that for you. It's easier to do that with us because we don't keep office hours. We're always available. The Hanover has limited hours. They love working with us because we help them help you. So send us a text and say, hey, I'd love to work with you. I'd love to use your 100% free service and get a tour set up. We can set up a virtual tour. You don't have to come in person. You can just see this virtually and then make your decisions that way. We can also do an in-person tour as well. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Send me a text. Just use the number below.